Hi guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm going to share with you all today is a highly requested one. I can't even tell you how many inboxes and messages I've had for this recipe. This is my simple, quick and easy chicken pasta recipe made with mascarpone cheese. Creamy and absolutely delicious, and the best part of it is it's mild enough for kids. They will love this. So let me run through what you need and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is 500 grams of chicken breast fillet, which I've cubed into small pieces. I've got 300 grams of penne pasta here. You can use whichever pasta you wish. I've got 300 milliliters of pre-made pasta sauce. You can use any you wish. I've got 150 grams of button mushrooms, which I've just roughly chopped up. I've got 200 grams of peppers here, which are the orange, red and yellow ones. I've got a tub of mascarpone cheese, which is 250 grams. I've got 4 tablespoons of oil. I've got 1 medium red onion, which I've roughly chopped up, and I've got 1 tablespoon of chipotle paste. This is going to add a really nice barbecuey flavour to your pasta. I've got 3 cloves of garlic, which I've minced, and I have 1 teaspoon of the following spices. I've got salt, paprika powder, garlic granules, onion granules, oregano and mixed herbs, and I've got half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes and ground white pepper. You can add a little bit more if you want it slightly more spicy. This is going to be on the milder side. So let's start cooking. So the first thing I've done is I've taken a pot and I've added my oil in, and it's nice and hot, and I'm going to add my onions in, and we're going to just fry these for about 3 to 4 minutes. So the onions are now ready. They've been cooking away for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm going to go straight in with the garlic and just give this around a minute or so, just so we get rid of the rawness. That's perfect. And now straight in with the chicken. My hob settings were on a 4. I've now turned them up to a 6, which is a medium heat setting, and we're going to cook the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's more or less fully cooked, and I'll show you how that looks once it's done. Right, okay guys, it's been 6 minutes. The chicken has been cooking away, and to this I am now going to add my peppers and my mushrooms. Just give that a mix, and we're going to cook this for a further 5 minutes and make sure everything is really nicely cooked. So more or less we're kind of bunning the chicken along with the vegetables. The vegetables will be perfectly cooked. They will be slightly al dente, so they'll have the peppers will have a slight crunch to them, and the mushrooms will also be holding their shape, and I will show you how this looks in 5 minutes time. Right, okay, this has been cooking away for 5 minutes, and to this I'm now going to add all of the spices straight in, along with the chipotle paste, and just make sure everything is really nicely mixed. Looking wonderful. And then straight in with our pre-made pasta sauce. And we're going to just give this a good mix, and we're just going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes again. Just make sure it's just all those flavors, all the spices that we've added are really nicely combined, and then we'll move on to the next stage of the recipe. Right, okay, so this has been cooking away for 5 minutes and it smells absolutely divine. I can't wait to tuck into this and try this. Now, at this point, what you want to do is you just want to turn your hob off. Just give that a quick mix. And to that, I'm going to take my mascarpone cheese, and I'm going to add probably 150 grams, which is half the tub contents, straight in, and just break that in and just make sure it's really nicely combined and creamy. Look at that. And that's what's going to give the pasta a really nice creaminess. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And you don't want to put it in all at the same time because it gets a bit too much and it's quite difficult to just break it down. As you can see, you need to really mix that in, and that's looking absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to take the remaining amount and I'm going to add that in as well. So that is the whole tub, which is 250 grams straight in there. That's looking really good. There we are. Really nicely combined. Now at this stage, if you wanted to, you could just taste the spice and the salt in there if you wished. I prefer it to be mild. Again, like I mentioned, it's meant to be a mild pasta dish. If you want it slightly more saltier or chilli, then just add more dried chili flakes or add more white pepper. That's entirely up to you, along with your salt. And we're going to set this aside, and now we're going to boil our pasta according to our packet instructions. Right, okay guys, to boil your pasta, take a large pot and add 1 whole kettle of boiled water into this. This equates to approximately 9 to 10 mugs, and bring that up to the boil. Okay, so once your water has started boiling, I'm going to add a good amount of salt into this. So I'm just going to shake that in. That's probably around a tablespoon of salt, and you should always cook your pasta in salty water and then straight in with the pasta. And my heat setting is on a 9, which is a high heat setting, just to bring that back up to the boil again. And I'm going to cook the pasta for around 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente, and then I'm going to drain it and we'll add it to our pasta sauce, and I'll see you guys back in about 8 to 10 minutes time. Alright guys, the pasta is now ready. It's been cooking away for 10 minutes and I'm just going to go and drain this, and I'll be right back. Right, okay guys, all we're going to do now is we're going to take our cooked pasta and just add that straight in to our chicken pasta sauce, and then just give everything a good mix, and just look at how creamy that is. That pasta is getting soaked up with that wonderful barbecuey, cheesy mascarpone sauce, and that's how it should be. That looks absolutely perfect. Oh, just look at that. Chunky pieces of chicken with the red peppers, the yellow and the orange peppers, the mushrooms, and that wonderful, wonderful creamy sauce. So there you have it guys, my chicken pasta is all ready and served up. I've just sprinkled on some dried parsley right on top to just give it a pop of colour. This is optional, but it does look really, really nice. So let me tuck into this and tell you guys exactly how it is. Right, okay guys, I have plated up my smoky barbecue chicken pasta and it looks absolutely delicious, and I'm going to tuck into this now and tell you guys exactly how it is. Oh, that aroma that's coming through is absolutely wonderful. So let me get into this now. Ooh, creamy or what? Let's have a look. So there you have it guys. Oh, let me try this now. Oh. Oh my god, that is absolutely delicious. You've got a really nice smokiness coming through, that barbecue flavour because of the chipotle paste that we added. That is delicious. Oh my god, so creamy, so nice. Some chicken there. You've got to try the recipe. That is absolutely amazing. Guys, do try the recipe out. It is absolutely delicious. Not just the kids, the adults will love this as well. Perfect. Guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, like always, give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate that. Honestly, your Support means everything to me. The reason why I'm continuing to make content is because you guys out there enjoy that. You enjoy the recipes and your families enjoy that. And when you sit down to eat, alhamdulillah, I am so happy when you guys enjoy my recipes. So do give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Again, it gives me the confidence to continue doing what I'm doing, and turn on your bell notifications, because that way you'll never ever miss any new videos or updates from me ever again. I'll catch you next week with another one. Till then, take care and happy eating.